This is a short video about All American Rides mechanical bull that is made here in Ravenel, South Carolina to the highest ASTM standards. It has an engineering stamp and it's registered in Pennsylvania. The process starts out with welding the frame together, as you can see, and we move on to the bull body, which has a great safety feature, the rubber head. Each bull has a rubber head, and it gives. Anybody hits the rubber head, it can't hurt them. It will give. A very important safety feature. Also, the bull body is fiberglass, and it has padding where they sit and where their head may hit the fiberglass body, go up and down and doing odd things as they ride. The body is covered with hide and is cut exact to form a taxidermy body to make it look like a real bull. And here it is all set up and with the rider on it. The base is set in place first with 4 legs in the corners to stabilize it, and then the air mattress goes on top, and we have a very safe air mattress that has very high walls, 42-inch high. The floor is 20-inch, and it gives it a net of a 20-inch, 22-inch wall. And that is more than enough to keep everybody in the air mattress, preventing any oddball accidents or accidents, period. The bull then is the center part has got a padding that covers all the metal pieces are covered, and they're covered very tight and very well. There's baffles underneath the center air mattress. The center air mattress is put in place with Velcro, which cannot come off during operation. And there's baffles underneath where the center part is, and they fill up with air, and it creates a very strong center part so that you cannot fall through. It's not possible to fall through. The legs or any other parts of a person's body will not hit that metal part in the middle. Also, if they fall off, they can't hit the metal part in the middle, making it very, very, very safe, including the pad above the center part that he's working on right now. That pad rides on top, and it covers the guts of the bull. The body then is attached to the motion base, and the head lifts up. If the head lifts up, it's not interlocked. There he pushes it back, and now it is interlocked. And the body then will get tightened down. It's held in place with a bolt, 2 bolts, 1 bolt in the back and 1 bolt on the side. And you tighten it up, and 1 click past tight, and it's ready to go. The rider now is in place, and he's ready to go. And there's another safety feature, which is the automatic stop on the rope, which when they fall off, the bull will stop automatically. And you can see him, he will pull up on that rope shortly, and you'll be able to see it. This is the control panel right here. Control panel has speed controls for buck and spin. Also, the big dial in the middle is presets. The rider will pull up on the rope, and you can see he pulls up on the rope, and I can start it now by hitting the start button on the control panel, and it will start going. And if he drops the rope, which he just did, the bull stops. Pulls up on the rope again, and the operator can start it by pressing the start button on the control panel. And the speed can be controlled by the preset knob there, and as he lets go, it stops automatically. That is what the control panel looks like, and it has a lock on it. This provides you with the ability to turn the control panel off from internally, and you lock it up, and then no one can start it up if you're not there. The controls are the red button on the left, that is the stop button. The green button is the start button. The blue button is the clear button for the digital display. That is the joystick for manual. That is the switch that goes from the manuals up. That's the computer. Allows you to use the joystick and the computer. Those are the two speed controls for buck and spin independently, and that is the preset. There's up to eight presets, and when you go to 0, it will go back to the controls, buck and spin. The rope is a safety feature, and you can see that it goes up and down and pull. It's very easily. It's been perfected. And when you pull it up and you start the start button, it goes just like that. And when he lets go, it stops automatically. So when he leaves the saddle and he's off, it will stop automatically. Pulls it back up, I hit the start button again, and it goes. The preset, I turn the dial and it goes up incrementally all through the 8. He lets it go and it stops. This bull is safe because it's been perfected over 10 years of building them. 500 are out working every day. High walls, interlocked baffle center pad. All metal surface is covered with pad. Presets, redundant stop buttons. A rubber head, automatic shut off rope. When they leave the saddle, it shuts off automatically. And the bull moves in a safe motion, buck, spin, and roll. Our team strives to build the safest bulls possible. Thank you for watching.